Good morning, students. Next problem in Fourier half range series. Obtain the Fourier half range cosine and sine series for the function f of x equal to pi minus x in the interval 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. So same first Fourier half range cosine series. Fourier half range cosine series ఏముంది మనకి f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinite an into cos nx. So here f of x equal to ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు pi minus x equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinite an into cos nx. Take equation number 1 where a naught equal to formula 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi f of x into dx, where f of x equal to ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు మనకి pi minus x into dx. Here integrating pi constant into 1 dx, integral 1 dx equal to ఏమని రాయొచ్చు x, integral x dx equal to x square by 2. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది pi x minus x square by 2 where limits 0 to pi. Here substitute the upper and lower limits, we get pi into pi minus pi square by 2 minus lower limit pi into 0 0 and 0 square by 2 0, that is 2 by pi into pi square minus pi square by 2. Here LCM 2 pi square minus pi square by 2, that is 2 by pi into 2 pi square minus pi square by 2, 2 cancel, pi cancel, that is pi. A naught equal to pi, get the a naught value pi. So next value ఏంటి an equal to formula 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx into dx. Here substitute the f of x value. Here f of x value ఏంటి pi minus x into cos nx dx. Same using Bernoulli's rule, we get Bernoulli formula integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 dash dash dash, that is 2 by pi into, we get as per Eilert rule, we get first function is pi minus x, second function is cos nx. Here first function into pi minus x into integration of second function, that is sin nx by n minus derivation of first function, derivative pi constant d by dx of pi 0 d by dx of x minus d by dx of minus x minus 1 0 minus 1 into integration of sin nx by n, that is minus cos nx by n square, where limits 0 to pi 2 by pi into pi minus x into sin nx by n. Here plus minus into minus plus into minus, so cos nx by n square. Here 0 to pi, substitute the upper and lower limits, we get pi minus pi into sin n pi by n minus cos n pi by n square, and minus lower limit pi minus 0 by sin 0 by n minus cos 0 by n, that equal to 2 by pi into pi minus pi 0 0 into something 0 and cos n pi by n square minus pi minus 0 0 sin 0 value 0 0 into something 0 minus cos 0 value 1, so minus 1 by n, that is 2 by pi into minus plus 1 by n minus cos n pi by n square. 1 by n square ఇది ఇక్కడ కూడా. Here 1 by n square constant term take బయటికి తీసుకురండి. And 1 minus cos n pi. Cos n pi value ఏంటి? Cos n pi value minus 1 to the power of n కదా. That is minus 1 to the power of n. ఇక్కడ కూడా 2 cases arise అవుతాయి మనకి. First case is if n is even number. If n is even number అయిందనుకోండి ఏమవుతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా minus 1 to the power of 2 అంటే plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 0. So even అయినప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది. If n is even. If n is odd, that is ఇక్కడ odd number తీసుకున్నాం 1 power 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 2, that is 4 by pi n square. If n is odd number, if n is odd number, substitute the a n value in the equation number 1, that is equation number 1 implies pi minus x equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinite a n into cos nx, where a naught equal to ఏమొచ్చింది pi, that is pi by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 3 5 up to infinite a n value 4 by pi n square into cos nx, that is 4 constant step pi by 2 4 constant pi constant. ఈ 4 by pi అనేది take in front of the summation, that is 4 by pi into sigma n equal to 1 3 5 up to dash dash infinite cos nx by n square. And ఇంకా expand చేస్తే వాల్యూని 4 by pi into substitute these values, we get cos 1x by 1 square and cos 3x by 3 square plus cos 5x by 5 square up to dash dash, that equal to pi by 2 అంటే pi minus x equal to pi by 2 plus 4 by pi into cos x by 1 square plus cos 3x by 3 square plus cos 5x by 5 square up to dash dash. This is the required Fourier half range cosine series. And మనకు కావాల్సింది ఇంకొక ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటిది, Fourier half range sine series. Sine series f of x equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinite bn into sin nx, where ఇక్కడ మనకి f of x equal to ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు pi minus x equal to sigma 1 to infinite bn into sin nx. Take equation number 1, where bn equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Here f of x equal to ఏంటి 2 by pi into 0 to pi f of x equal to pi minus x. Substitute the f of x value. Here using Bernoulli's rule, we get integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 dash dash dash. Use the Bernoulli formula, we get first function is bn equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi minus x into sin nx dx. Here using Bernoulli's rule, we get first function is pi minus x and second function is sin nx, that is 2 by pi into first function into integration of second function, that is minus cos nx by n minus derivation of first function d by dx of pi. Pi is constant value 0 and d by dx of x 1 plus integration of second function, that is sin nx by integration of cos nx. Cos nx means minus sin nx by n, already we have n, that is sin n square, where limits 0 to pi, that equal to 2 by pi into మైనస్ లోపలికి మల్టిప్లై అండి pi minus x కాస్ ఏమవుతుంది మైనస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే x minus pi అవుతుంది, దట్ ఈస్ x minus pi into cos nx by n. Here minus into minus plus into minus, so sin nx by n square, where limits 0 to pi. Here substitute the upper and lower limits. We get pi minus pi into cos n pi by n minus sin n pi by n square, and substitute the lower limit x minus 0 into cos 0 by n minus sin 0 by n square, that equal to 2 by pi into pi minus pi 0 and 0 into something 0, and sin n pi value also 0 minus pi minus 0 pi and cos 0 value 1, that is 1 by n minus sin 0 value 0, so pi by n, that is 2 by pi into pi by n. Pi cancel, we get 2 by n. A value the bn value. Substitute the bn value in equation number 1. Substitute bn value in equation number 1. We get pi minus x equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinite bn into sin nx, that is pi minus x equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinite bn value 2 by n into sin nx. Here 2 is constant, take in front of the summation, 2 into integral 1 to infinite sin nx by n. Here కొంచెం expand చేస్తే put n equal to 1, that is sin 1x by 1 plus sin 2x by 2 plus sin 3x by 3 up to dash dash, that equal to pi minus x equal to 2 into sin x plus sin 2x by 2 plus sin 3x by 3 up to dash dash. This is the required half range sine series for the function pi minus x.